welcome to Asana Lounge. I'm Jolene, your yoga teacher, and today, if you're struggling with tight shoulders and a stiff neck, this sequence is for you. So take a seat, comfortable position on your mat. We're going to take a few minutes to really slow down, stretch out our neck and shoulders for ease of movement, and feel good. Find a comfortable seat on your mat. You're going to push from the bottom up through the spine, lifting and lengthening. We're going to start with our breath. Inhale deep through your nose, let your belly fall out, relax. Feel your ribcage expand and your chest lift. As you exhale, slow your breath down out your nose. Relax your shoulders. Pull your belly in towards your spine. Keep breathing. Inhale. Two more breaths. Preparing our body, slowing down our nervous system. Last breath. On your inhale, you're going to bring your palms behind you on your mat. Fingers pointing forward, out to the side, or behind you, pushing from the bottom of your pelvis to lengthen up through your spine. Try not to collapse here. You want to lift and lengthen. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale. And as we take our next inhale, you're going to notice what you're feeling from the pelvis, bottom of the pelvis, lengthening, lifting up, relaxing as you inhale, letting your torso expand. Exhale, slow your breath down. Inhale deep through your nose. Slow your breath down. One more breath. As you inhale, you're going to push from the bottom of the pelvis to sit up. Reach your arms up, lengthening, lifting. Exhale, turn to your right. Your right hand is going to go behind you on your mat. Left hand on your shin or your knee. Inhale. Belly falls out, relaxes. Ribs expand and your chest will lift. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Relax your jaw. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath here. Inhale. You're going to turn just your head back to your left to look back towards the front. Inhale, back to the right. Exhale, back to the front. Inhale. Exhale. Keep moving with your breath 2 more times. And then as you inhale, you're going to reach back up. Exhale, turn to your left. Right hand on your shin or your knee. Left hand behind you on your mat, pushing from the bottom of your pelvis to lengthen and lift up. I like to keep my right hand on my shin because my neck and shoulders are so super tight and I feel like it gives me that extra stretch. Keep breathing 2 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Slow your breath down as slow as you can. One more breath. As you inhale, turn your head back to the front. Exhale, turn to the left. Keep moving with your breath. Take your time, moving gentle. What are you feeling here? Pushing from the bottom of your pelvis, lengthening up through your spine. One more. Inhale, reach your arms up, pushing from the pelvis, lengthening, lifting, reach forward, fold. Relax your jaw. From here, you can begin to find movement, swaying from side to side. What are you feeling? This feels so good. And last time on each side. Come back to center, walk your hands back, sitting up, seated cat-cow. Inhale, slide the palms back, chest up. Exhale, slide your palms forward, tuck and round. Inhale. 2 more. Take your time. Last one. Pushing from the bottom of the pelvis, sitting tall in easy pose. Place your palms on your shoulders. Inhale, elbows go up, look up. Exhale, out, look down. Keep moving with your breath. 2 more. Last one. And lower your hands. You're going to bring your right arm across your chest. You can stack your arms here or eagle arms. Right elbow over left elbow, bend, bring your palms together. Arms are at shoulder height, lengthening your neck up, reaching out the top of your head. Deep breath in through your nose. Slow your breath down, out your nose, relax your jaw. On your inhale, release, open up. Exhale, left elbow over right, palms together, left arm across your chest, or you can stack. Elbows at shoulder height, arms go forward, lengthening, lifting from the bottom of your pelvis up through the top of your head. Deep breath in. On your inhale, extend, release. Right palm to the top of your back, left palm to the lower back. And you're just going to sit here for just a moment, relaxing and releasing tension. No forcing, no clasping just yet. On your next inhale, you're going to extend, release. Turn the right arm in, right palm to the lower back, left palm to the top of your back. Deep breath in. Relax your jaw, pushing from the bottom of the pelvis, lengthening, lifting, trying to not collapse into your body. Inhale, open, and you're just going to repeat this movement here, opening up your shoulders, increasing your range of motion. Last one on each side. And then from here, you're going to place your right palm on your mat. Relax your shoulder, relax your elbow. Reach over with your left. Looking towards your left arm, you can look down towards your right hand or straight at center. Deep breath in. On your inhale, lift and lengthen. Bring your right hand behind you. I'm going to give you a side view here. Bring your right hand behind you. Push from the pelvis, lengthening, lifting. Bend your elbow and then reach across. Inhale, lift, reaching up. Left hand goes down. Relax your shoulder, elbow. Reaching across. Deep breath in through your nose. Pushing from the pelvis, lifting up tall. Relax your jaw. And then take your left hand behind you. Reach back. Deep breath in. Slow your breath down. Inhale up. And place both legs in front of you, pushing from the bottom of the pelvis. Once again, lengthening up, reaching forward. One more breath. Inhale, sitting up, bottoms of your feet together, sitting up tall, reaching forward, folding. Notice what you're feeling, observing what your hips are feeling. Back, deep breath in. As you inhale, sit up, bring your legs together, walk your feet out just a little bit wider than your hips, lifting, lengthening, both knees go to your right, and twist. Inhale, center, lifting, lengthening, both knees go to your left, and twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist, and from here, one more time, inhale, we'll reach up, exhale, fold. On your inhale, sitting up, we're going to return back to easy pose, sitting tall. This is where we end our practice. Take a few moments, deep breath in. Two more breaths, noticing what your body is feeling like. Let me know in the comments how you felt with today's practice. Hopefully that opened you up a little bit and got you moving. Last breath. And you're going to bring your hands to heart center, taking a moment to remember something you're grateful for. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a great day. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a like, a subscribe, share with your friends and family. That lets YouTube know you liked what you've seen or what you practiced today, and to push the video forward. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. See you soon.